Welcome back to Wednesday Wins. This is John's dad. This is the time of the week where I tell you about something that's successful, it's a good idea, works well for me. This is the second in a three-part series on repairing a broken hiking pole. This week, we're going to simulate the break of the top of the hiking pole where you lose the handle. And what you have left sitting at the top is shards of either very, very sharp aluminum, which could cut anybody, or maybe even worse, carbon fiber, which is all shredded and can leave little fibers in your skin. And it's not pretty. You can't really use them as a hiking pole with that shredded weapon at the top. So what we're going to use is hiking poles. You've seen these before in Monday mistakes. I forgot my hiking poles on the way to Roaring Plains Wilderness about a month, 6 weeks ago. We stopped at Walmart, and for $20-something, I got brand new poles. They weigh 10.4 ounces each, but they worked. And they are adjustable length. And this repair works really well for adjustable length poles, because if this breaks off, your pole is now almost a foot shorter, but you just extend the length. So it works real well. Fixed length poles, it's not going to work as well because you can't lengthen them because they're fixed length. So that's what we're going to do. I don't actually have hiking poles that are broken in this way, and if I was really dedicated YouTuber, I guess I would go buy some and break them and show them to you. Instead, what we're going to do is simulate the top being broken off using the center part. This is what the top would look like if the handle was broken off. Now there's no danger here. This doesn't hurt, nothing, but the real break, this would be dangerous. And that's what we're going to fix today. We're going to do it with duct tape. Everybody has duct tape, I hope. An extra smart water bottle cap, and you probably have one of those, right? It's not even extra weight, you already have one. Maybe you have the sports top, maybe just a regular top, doesn't matter. That's what we're going to use. And we're going to throw in a little bit of wire tie action too. That's actually kind of optional. In fact, the bottle cap might be optional too if you put enough duct tape on it. See, duct tape is good. You may find it easiest to find a flat surface and basically do this repair, upside down. The duct tape can be very uncooperative and stick to itself and get all messy. But if you do it this way, you might be able to do it with just two hands. Turn it 90 degrees, plant it there in the middle and just repeat it. Very likely 2 pieces of duct tape will be enough. You may want to use 3 or more, whatever you think makes it start to feel more secure. Yeah, it's not very pretty, is it? But pretty isn't the goal. Now that actually, maybe you can kind of see how firm that is. I might stick another piece on there. What I am going to do is wrap some duct tape as tight as I can right below the cap to try to stress that, make it as tight as I can. Now look at that. That is pretty tight. And just for fun, a wire tie to make it tight. Use your knife to just cut that off. There you go. And if it's sharp, another wrap of duct tape wouldn't hurt. All right, you're ready to go. Here's the repaired hiking pole. That's very sturdy, and I wish I had an original, the actual one we repaired. That I never got a picture of, but it worked, and it was pouring rain on us. It was very, very solid. You obviously can't hurt yourself, and with the lengthened pole, it was real easy to just keep hiking. And what did it take? I suppose if you were doing this in the field 10 minutes, maybe 15, and you'd be up and going, you would do it during a break. So this is the end of part 2, where we're dealing with the broken top. Last week we did the broken middle. Next week, we're going to do a mechanical failure, and that's what I experienced on the King's Trail. I mentioned that before. It's really easy to fix. I just wish I would have known how to fix it at the time. So thanks for tuning in to Wednesday Wins, the good things in life. And don't forget to check out Monday Mistakes too, so you can learn from my mistakes. You don't want to have to make them all yourself. See you next Wednesday.